Hey, I'm Cristobal, owner of Queen Bee Cleaning Service in Seattle. 6 years ago, my wife convinced me to start a company, and while I was being so skeptical, I decided to give it a try. And man, let me tell you, under 6 years, we have made over $3.7 million in total sales. And let me tell you something else, the cleaning industry is booming, and you can be part of it. And this is why I created this course, where I'm gonna teach you how to start your cleaning business, how to hire employees, how to land jobs, how to price your services, how to automate your business. Let me show you real quick a small glimpse of all the stuff that I'm gonna be teaching in this course. So check it out. The first thing we need to show you is the cleaning manual, so important. I'm giving you my step-by-step on how we clean the homes. Real quick, how to clean the bathroom, how to clean the toilet, how to clean the shower, literally everything. I'm gonna give you my employee manual, where it's literally the agreement with you and your employee. What are you expecting out of them? How's your company values? What are you how do you handle issues if there's anything? Attendance, punctuality, transportation, office parking, sick leave, right? All you need to do is just change the logo. I'm gonna give you my cleaning checklist, so you know exactly what packages to sell. Let me tell you, this will tell you exactly how to go through all of them. Your employees will love it because they can go through this checklist, and then you will never miss anything. Not only that, get ready. I'm gonna give you my phone sales script. This right here is worth thousands of dollars. Why? Because you're gonna make thousands of dollars with this. It's literally how we sell the prices over the phone without even seeing the customer first. So I'm gonna tell you, how do I sell my deep cleaning? How do I sell my move-out cleaning, recurring, my Airbnb cleaning, my office cleaning, the difference between options, and then also how to downsell, right? That they're about to leave and they're in the fence, how to convince them to buy. I'm gonna give you my Airbnb pricing list, literally how much I charge per unit, how long it's gonna take you, the extra services that I provide as well, and how much I charge for them. Let's see the standard cleaning procedures, how much to charge, how long does it take. My deep cleaning, how much to charge, how long does it take. Move out cleaning, same thing, how much to charge, how long does it take. The carpet washing, how much to charge and how long does it take. So really breaking down so you can get the ground running. No, I'm not done yet. I'm gonna give you all my templates to handle every customer issues. There's throughout the day you're gonna repeat a lot of the information. So this will save you tons of time. When we do a bad job, how to apologize. When we break something, what's the difference between services? When we receive a cancellation request, how to fire unwanted customers. There's tons of bad customers, and we need to fire them in a very polite way. How to increase your prices. How to provide quotes for Airbnb, for deep cleanings, for move-outs, for recurring, for office cleaning. Not only that, I'm also be sharing my job ad. This is the ad that I use to hire people, and how to, I little tell you how much I pay them, what I'm expecting out of them. I also will include all my email offers, literally everything I use to restart my customers when it's a slow week. Email and text marketing, you're gonna get those templates, and much more. I cannot go over all of them, but listen, you can hit the ground running in 2022. If you have ever started thinking about opening a cleaning business, this is the best time to do so. I cannot wait to see you inside. Click the link below. You will not regret it.